Flowlu CRM tutorial. So Flowlu CRM is a comprehensive platform designed to help small business owners manage projects, clients, and financials in one place. So whether you're looking to streamline communication, track project progress, or monitor your business's financial health, Flowlu has you covered. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to use Flowlu effectively to grow your business in 2024. But before we get started, what is Flowlu CRM? Flowlu is an all-in-one cloud-based business management tool. It combines CRM features with project management, invoicing, and team collaboration tools. Its user-friendly interface makes it a go-to solution for small businesses, startups, and freelancers seeking an affordable yet powerful platform. So now to get started, simply go to Flowlu's website, and from here you can get started for free. So when you click here on Get Started for Free, you will be redirected to this page. So simply sign up your account. Now from here you need to add your account name. So just going to add this. So welcome to Flowlu. So you can always select or answer these questions right here, or simply click on skip in the top right. But I prefer you select your primary business tools right here so that Flowlu can get a glimpse of what you need to be working on. So let's say I'm going to select sales and CRM, project management, and task management. Now click on continue. What is your industry? Just going to select sales. And how did you hear about us? So you can always select anything from here. Click on continue. Now tell us more about your company. So add in your name, your company name, and how large is your company. Say 2 to 5 and click on continue. So you can either choose your setup, so you can start with a demo data or build from scratch. So of course, we're going to select the demo data option. Click on now and click on let's go. Now Flowlu will generate your account. And as you can see from here, this is how the dashboard will look like. So in your home page, you will be greeted by these steps or tasks to further create your dashboard. So as you can see, first you need to set up your account, add your personal details to the profile, upload your photo, and customize how your account looks. Next is you want to install additional apps, import your data, invite your teammates, and all that. But we're not gonna do that in this video. So this is just the quick start section. So of course you need to do this to get started, but now I'm just going to show you to the dashboard. So as you can see, this is how your dashboard will look like. So you'll see a bunch of different tables right here showing your performance. This is the analytics. As you can see, you'll see your expenses, your account balance, your income, issued invoice, your gross profit, income expenses. But of course, all of this data right here are just samples. So this is just to get you a glimpse of what you will be working on. And what's good about this dashboard is you can always customize it. As you can see, we have this icon right here, so you can drag and drop this table or delete it. You want to click right here, drag and drop. As you can see, I can move this wherever I want. So of course, you can adjust it to what you need. So the next one is we have the task section right here. As you can see, we have our to-do list, our Kanban board, list view, and the tasks that need your approval. And of course, we will see all of the tasks right here. Next is your CRM. Have the activities, organizations, your contacts, See, this is all of your activities. So, of course, if you're done with these activities, you can always click right here. You can see, you can always click on the box to make sure that it is completed. So, of course, you can always add new activities or new sections. And this is the accounts or contacts. This is all of your contacts. If you want to create a new contact, you can always click here on create in the top right. Now you can manually add your new contact by adding in their first name, last name, their phone number, their email, all of that. So we have the settings also right here. And of course, when you click on these three dots in the top right, you can import from a CSV file if you don't want to add your contacts manually. Next is projects. From here, we can select all projects. From here, you'll see all of your projects, such as this sample project, which is the Bridge to Learning. When you click on it, you will see all of the project details right here and where this project is currently, so or the status of the project. You can also see the portfolio of the project right here, which is the customer or contact to this project. Of course, as you can see, we have the goals right here or the description of the project. So next, we want to go to finance. So in finance, you can see your invoices, recurring invoices, estimates, your money. So basically, Flowlu has all of this organized. Next is my team. So from here, you can add new members if you need your team members to be also working on Flowlu. So you can invite users right here, click on invite users, and add their email and their role. Next is this Agile. So you'll see there's a feature for the Agile project management. So you can just simply read what this is for. So you can create your project or create a custom workflow. Next is the knowledge base. So this is just like the article sections. So if you're confused with something, you can always search for articles right here. Next is the business processes. So we have the PTO request. Next is docs. So they have templates right here and documents. As you can see, we have the invoice template. We have a estimates template. And of course, you can always add a new template. Always use the template presets or create your own. And more, we have this more features right here, such as your files. This is where all of your files are stored, your calendar, your emails, your interactions, and of course the apps. So Flowlu has all of these apps right here. So let's say you want to add notes to, just click there. And of course, is all of the apps and features. So basically, this is all of the features of Flowlu. So this is how you can use Flowlu as your CRM for your project management, for your customer relationship management, and all that. So just feel free to explore more about the features of Flowlu, and you'll be using Flowlu in your business in no time. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.